Yo, what up there, Bumble Tears? Thanks for tuning in. Guess what? We're in Japan.
Can we call them Bumble Stoltzkins?
Yeah, and here we go. Lots of Japan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, cheers.
Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake.
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
In our last video, we explored the Studio Ghibli Museum in Mitaka, Japan. If you were looking for something to do on your way back to Tokyo from Mitaka, we suggest Nakano Broadway. Nakano Station is only 6 stops away from Mitaka on the Chu or Sobu subway line. The journey will take you 13 minutes and breaks up the train ride back to Tokyo nicely. Nakano Broadway is a shopping center built in 1966 and is famous among otaku for its anime and manga shops. You will find over 300 shops and 13 floors dedicated to every type of otaku.
Yeah. I like the little octopus. Oh, there's dogs in cups.
There's no Sailor Jupiter here either.
What the heck? Is she like one of the most popular? I don't know.
Oh, hello.
you gotta say about this boss?
It's way taller than the last one.
It's way taller than you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a baby one over there.
Oh yeah.
Look at this guy. He's all
That's
lit up.
Bumblebee back there.
Is it Bumblebee?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is much bigger. He grew up. He grows up quite a bit in 8 years, eh?
Yeah.
Guys, he moves!
バナーシリンクスユニコーンガンダム行きます。
Well, that was the vlog. Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.
If you ain't subscribed, then subscribe.
And who's your favorite One Piece character?
Yeah,
Let us know.
this is pretty dope Airbnb, just because of the wallpaper. So tune in next time for more Japans all up in your Japan face. Yeah, Bumbles out, yo. Clickety clack.